Shout out to all the amazing clients who haven't seen us before but trust us from social media to give them this amazing, beautiful, gorgeous, classic, sweet, completely mind-blowing pieces. Can you imagine what we did with this space? Guys, we made this space, all the furniture, all the joineries, curtain, all the soft furnishing and the hard furnishing for this client, and they loved it all the way. Look at that fireplace. Only Goldland will pull this off completely well for you, right, guys? So we are truly grateful for the gift of you to us and for trusting us with your riches, especially in these times, these hard times, for believing in us. And yes, Goldland will always deliver exquisite pieces. Everything you see here was made by our team, right? Made from our factory, from scratch, and it is mind-blowing. You want same? Call us.